Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 35 of our JavaScript playlist. In this video, we are going to discuss about callbacks. So what is the mean of callbacks in JavaScript? So see this definition. A callback is a function passed into another function, okay, as an argument. Previously, like what we were do, we used to send some values in the function as an argument. But in JavaScript, we can send the function as an argument. We can send a function inside a function as an argument, right? Which is then invoked inside the outer function. Okay, so that function we are passing inside the function as an argument. So in the outer function, we will call that passed function. Okay, I hope like this will be a little confusing, but I hope after seeing the code you will be able to understand this clearly. Okay, let's understand by code. Okay, so I have two files, HTML index.html and app.js. Okay, so it containing basic structure, and I linked my app.js through script tag, and here is my app.js file. Okay, let me check whether it's working or not. Okay, see my output is coming. I already started the live server. Okay, my live server is already working and my output is coming on console, right? Fine. Okay, now what's the mean of callbacks? So in callbacks, what I will do, I'll create a function. I'll create an outer function. Okay, suppose how I will create. Okay, or I can say parent function. Okay, parent function. This is what parent function, and this is what child function, right? So I have two function. One is parent function, one is child function. So in the parent function, we will pass the child function. Okay, so I will say this my parent function will receive a function. Okay, so my parent function can receive a function. Also, my parent function can receive values as well. So I will say num1 and num2. It receiving num1 and num2 as well as it is receiving what function. Okay, all right, fine. And if I call the function, if I call the parent function, if I call the parent function, so can I call like this? Yes, you can call like this, but are you fulfilling the demand by the parent? It is saying whenever you call me, give me two numbers as a parameter and give me a function as a parameter. So we have to pass two numbers first, 10 and 20. And after that, it is asking one function as well. So I have another function which is called child. So can I pass this function child? Yes, but I will not use parenthesis. Using parenthesis means you are calling child function, but we are not calling child function. We will call this child function inside the parent function. This is the mean of callbacks. So I will call this child function through the parent function. So I will call like this. Okay. So because this child function containing by the fun function, that's why I'm calling this child function through fun function. I hope you are understanding what I'm doing. Okay. So inside this, can I write some message like console.log I am child function? Okay. And inside this, okay, inside the parent function, can I say, can I add this value? Add like num1 plus num2. Can I say like this? And can I say console.log? Can I say something like addition? Addition is what? Num1 plus num2. Just for example, I'm showing you this. Okay, this is a simple example. So what is the definition we have studied? A callback is a function passed into another function. So I have created parent function, I created child function, and I am passing child function into the parent function as an argument, okay, which is then invoked inside the outer function. So my child function is invoking inside the parent function, means outer function. Okay, let's see what's the output. So what is the output? First it is showing I'm child function, then it is showing addition. Okay, because inside the parent function we are calling one function which is parent, and inside the parent function we are calling child function first. If you will call the child function in last, then what it will say? It will say addition 30, then I am child function, like this. So we are calling this child function inside the outer function or parent function. This is known as callback. All right. I hope you understood through this example. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box. So thank you everyone for watching this video.